I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government jobs online. First, locate the official government job portal relevant to your area, whether it's federal, state, or local. Next, create a secure user account, ensuring all your contact details are current and accurate. This initial step is crucial for managing your applications and receiving important updates throughout the hiring process, setting a strong foundation for your job search. Once your account is set up, use the portal's search filters to find suitable positions. You can refine your search by agency, location, and even salary expectations. It is vital to thoroughly read each job announcement, understanding all eligibility criteria and required documents. Pay close attention to the application deadline, as these are usually strict and offer no extensions. Now, focus on crafting a compelling application. Tailor your resume and cover letter to directly address the specific qualifications outlined in the job announcement. Gather all necessary supporting documents, like academic transcripts or professional certifications, ensuring they are in the correct digital format. Before submitting, meticulously proofread everything for any grammatical errors or typos. Accuracy is paramount. Finally, submit your application well in advance of the deadline to prevent any last-minute technical glitches. Always confirm that your application has been successfully received, either through the online portal's confirmation or an email notification. Be prepared for the next stages, which might include interviews or additional assessments, potentially taking several weeks to materialize after your initial submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.